This video is going to show how to automatically generate a silk screen on each side of the board with the Auto Silkscreen feature in OrCAD X PCB Designer. Reference designators and silkscreen outlines are often drawn on different subclasses on a PCB, which can make them hard to adjust and read and may cause critical silkscreen to be missing on the PCB. The Auto Silkscreen feature in OrCAD X PCB Designer can be used to easily generate and fill a common layer for all silkscreen elements for each side of the board. Start by opening the provided design in OrCAD X PCB Designer. Select Manufacture Silkscreen from the menu to open the Auto Silkscreen window. Here you can configure where the silkscreen is displayed and for which elements, the classes and subclasses to draw the silkscreen information from, and how to orient the text. Select both under Layer and Elements to plot silkscreen lines and text on the top and bottom layer. Under Classes and Subclasses, select any from the Package Geometry and Reference Designator dropdowns. This will draw package geometry and reference designators from the Silkscreen or Assembly subclasses. Uncheck the option for Allow Under Components to prevent the silkscreen from being hidden by soldered components in the final board. Other configurable settings in this window include text rotation, text checking, and displacement. Before we create the silkscreen, let's create an audit file to make sure there won't be any errors. Select Audit to generate the audit file. The Auto Silkscreen window closes automatically. Open File Explorer and browse to the working directory. A new Auto Silk log file is shown. Open the file in a text editor such as Notepad. The file shows the name of the board, the date and time, and the number of errors on each side. Since this board didn't generate any errors, we are good to create a silkscreen. Close the text editor. Back in OrCAD X PCB Designer, select Manufacture Silkscreen again to reopen the Auto Silkscreen window. If any settings reset to the defaults, reconfigure them so elements are placed on both layers, package geometry and reference designator can come from Silkscreen or Assembly, and Silkscreen can't be placed under components. Click Silkscreen to generate the silkscreen. The window closes automatically. The silkscreen layers generated are not shown by default. To view them, select the color icon from the toolbar. The color dialog window opens. Select Manufacturing from the category list on the left. Check the option for Auto Silk Bottom. The newly generated bottom silkscreen is shown in the PCB canvas. This design does not have many components on the bottom, but these components under the larger 2FP IC have been labeled. Uncheck the option for Auto Silk Bottom and check the option for Auto Silk Top. Silkscreen generated on the top of the board is shown. Click OK to leave the silkscreen enabled and close the window. The silkscreen was generated successfully and can be further adjusted as needed. Automatically generate silkscreen layers to ensure the correct silkscreen is printed to your board during manufacturing and clear communication of reference designators for assembly and testing with OrCAD X PCB Designer. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.